Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I thought I'd have a quick chat about how to shop on Fleek. What to look for, what are the costs, and just generally like how to use the website, how to search, all that good stuff. Plus, you know me, I love to share a discount code and I have £26 off your first order. So I will put it here. Make sure you use it. It will save you a whole heap of money. So what is Fleek? First of all, it is legit. I know some people have asked on Google, is it legit? It is legit. It's really good. And if it seems too good to be true, it's actually not. It is a wholesale shopping app. Basically, you can buy vintage and pre-loved clothing and accessories on there. You buy them in bulk so you can like keep a few and then resell the rest. You can make good money. If you've ever wondered how all the girls on Vinted have like so many incredible like Y2K dresses, Y2K bags, belts, that kind of thing, this is where they are getting them. They're buying them on Fleek and reselling them for a profit. However, I'm just going to be honest, it's an amazing app, it's an amazing website, but if you've never used it before, it is a little bit complicated because it's unlike every other shopping experience. So first of all, what you should do is you should download the app because I personally think the app is easier to use than the website. If you're not sure what you are looking for on Fleek, then just have a scroll through the front page and it will give you suggestions. If you want to just keep it simple, literally just go to the bit that says Vinted Flips because literally they know what they're doing. Have a scroll through and just pick out something that you like the look of. You can buy individual items on Fleek, but generally it's sold in bundles. So you might buy a bundle of like 20 jumpers or 20 dresses. That's what you're looking at. So have a look through the bundles. And one thing that you really need to look out for is if the bundle is exact or representative. It will tell you on each and every listing if it's exact or representative. And I would recommend you go for exact ones. However, if you find a seller who has amazing stuff, but it's representative, then don't worry. What you can do is you can message them and you can schedule a hand-pick video call. I have done this, it's actually really good. Basically, ooh, itchy nose. You tell them what you want and then they will go away, they will find the stuff, they'll schedule a call with you and they literally go through and you say yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. And then they create that bundle for you and send you an invoice and then you pay it and then you'll get it shipped to you. Speaking of shipping, let's talk about the shipping costs. So I personally thought that I would buy a jumper for say £6 and then I would have to pay postage and packaging and import duties on top. There is no import duties and there is actually no shipping costs. The shipping costs are included in the garment cost. So for instance, if you're buying 20 jumpers at £6 each, it will cost you £120, but that will include everything. So you are literally paying that much for everything included. So your order will be £120, no import duties, no post and packaging costs. It's all built into the cost of the garments. It's what they call in fashion landed prices. So if you're looking at a bundle of say Y2K dresses and there are 5 each and you're thinking, oh, but by the time I add on postage, packaging, import duties, it's going to be more like £8. That's not true. It will literally be £5 per dress. If you are a reseller who just wants to make a quick buck and isn't really bothered about what they're selling as long as it makes money, then I would recommend then just going to the front page and like picking out something of interest that you know you can make money on and buying a bundle and doing it that way. However, if you're like me and you're like, I want to sell stuff that I love, that makes me excited, then what I would recommend doing is just searching, scrolling, typing in dresses, vintage, Y2K, colourful, novelty, that kind of thing, and just seeing what you can find and just scrolling and just having a good look and just finding the things that you're really excited about. It might take a while, it might take a bit of scrolling, but you will find some incredible items at great prices. But just always make sure when you're looking at a bundle that you go for exact and not representative. But don't forget, if you do find a really cool seller, then you can just schedule a handpick call, which I promise is really easy and actually kind of fun. In terms of shipping time, it does take a couple of weeks to get to you. So if you're buying Christmas jumpers, what is going on with my hair? If you're buying Christmas jumpers, don't order them at the beginning of December. Order them in like October or early November. So you've got plenty of time to get them, plenty of time to wash them because a lot of these things you will want to wash. And then you've got plenty of time to list them as well. Anyway, I hope that's of help. Let me know if you've got any questions. Fleek, I think, is incredible. use my referral code to get £26 off your first order. Download the app. It is honestly a really good app, and just see what you're interested in. And you can do a small order and then you can build it up. And also, if you do get really into Fleek, then they actually have Fleek credit where you can basically pay on terms. So you can buy items and then not have to pay for like 45 days, I think it is, which means you have time to sell the stock and then pay Fleek, which I think is incredible. Anyway, that's my video. I hope it's of help. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.